Dear students, today we will study about dispersion of light, that is splitting of white light and Newton's disk. In the 17th century, Sir Isaac Newton first observed that a thin beam of light after passing through a prism forms a band of 7 colors that include red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This band of light is produced when we pass the white light through a prism, and this splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light. This activity proves that light consists of 7 colors, that is Vibgyor. Now, what is the cause of dispersion? Why the white light splits into 7 colors after passing through a prism? Lights of all colors travel same speed in vacuum, but in any transparent medium such as glass, water, etc., the lights of different colors travel with different speeds. And we know the red light travels the fastest and the violet light the slowest of all the 7 colors. As a result, the red light bends the least and the violet light bends the most. This unequal banding of lights of different colors causes dispersion of white light or sunlight into 7 colors. So we can say the dispersion of white light occurs because colors of white light travel at different speeds through the glass prism. The amount of refraction depends on the speed of colored light in glass. Refraction means the change in the path of different colors when they pass from one medium to another medium. In this case, the light has to travel from air to the glass. So, we can say these different colors are obtained due to different speeds of different colors through the glass prism. Now, since the different colors travel at different speeds, they are refracted by different angles on passing through the glass prism. So, when white light consisting of 7 colors falls on a glass prism, each color in it is refracted by a different angle. As a result, we get a spectrum of 7 colors. Now, what is spectrum? The band of 7 colors formed on a white screen when a beam of white light is passed through a glass prism is called spectrum of white light, and the 7 colors of the spectrum can be remembered by the word Vibgyor. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In this way, after passing the white light through a prism, we get a spectrum of 7 colors. Here is shown the diagram. When the visible light means when the sunlight is passed through the prism, this is a glass prism, and it splits into 7 colors which are in the which are written as Vibgyor. Now, Newton's experiment, what did Newton did? Newton performed an experiment to show that white light consists of 7 colors, and when we pass the white light through a prism, it splits into 7 colors. The different color light is allowed to pass through an identical prism kept in inverted position. What he did, Newton firstly passed the white light through a prism, and when it split it into 7 colors, he placed another prism in an inverted position in the path of these 7 pass through second prism kept in an inverted position. They again combine to make a white light. So this experiment clearly proves that white light consists of 7 colors which can be remembered by the word Vibgyor. Now rainbow is the same phenomena as like that of a we can say prism. Rainbow is a spectacular example of the dispersion of white light. Just after the rain, students, you have seen a beautiful rainbow in the sky. How it is formed? In fact, just after the rain, a large number of small drops of water remain suspended in the air, and each drop acts like a small prism. When sunlight falls on these drops, it splits into 7 colors. The dispersed light from a large number of drops forms a continuous band of 7 colors, red on the outer side and violet on the inner side. This colored band formed in the sky just after the rain is called rainbow. Thus we can say rainbow is also produced due to dispersion of white light by small raindrops which remain suspended in the air after the rain. So we are able to see this rainbow due to dispersion of light through these small drops of rain, and we are able to see this beautiful rainbow just after the rain is over and when the first rays of sunlight falls on these rain droplets. Now we can make Newton disk. What is Newton disk? If the 7 rainbow colors are mixed together, it produces white light. So we make a color disk which is called Newton disk. A color disk was used by Newton to show that 7 colors of the spectrum of white light, when added together, they give white color. It consists of a circular disk divided into 7 pairs of segments. Each pair of segment is colored so that all the colors of the visible spectrum appear on the disc. The disc is spotted on a stand and can be made to rotate around about a horizontal axis passing through its center. When the disc is rotated fast, the disc appears white. This shows that white light consists of 7 colors. You can also, dear students, make this Newton disc by painting 7 different colors which are found in the rainbow on a disc, and then when we rotate this disc, these 7 colors come together to make white light, which prove that white light consists of 7 colors. So in short we can say dispersion of light is the process of splitting of white light into its 7 colors on passing through a glass prism. Thank you.